Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an administrator on your Facebook page. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your credentials and you will be taken into your home page. Now, if you wish to add an administrator within your page, just tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. And first of all, tap on the drop-down menu alongside your username to switch to the specific page. Once you have switched to your page account, go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top right once again, and then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, tap on Settings once again, and now within the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Page Setup. Now within the Page Setup page, tap on Page Access in order to invite other individuals to manage your page. You can tap on the Add New button alongside Facebook Access to directly set them as your administrator, or you can also use the People with Task Access in order to add an administrator. Tap on the Next button, and now you can simply search for the user that you wish to add as your admin. Make sure that this user is your friend on Facebook. After choosing the person, just click on whichever permission you would wish to allow, and then tap on the Give Access option. You will be required to type your Facebook password in order to confirm this invite. After typing it in, tap on the Confirm button, and now this will send an invite to the person that you just selected to be an admin for your page. Once they accept this request, they will be able to access your page as an admin and make various different posts and changes. And there you have it. That is how you can add an administrator within your Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.